Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to save and export video files in Photopea. So let's just get straight into it. Alright, so here I have the thumbnail for this video, which I made with Photopea, and I'm going to click File, and then here's how you save. You just click Save, or you can click Control S and that will save your project. Or if you want to export, you click Export As, and then you have a couple options. You have PNG, which is usually what I do because it keeps transparent backgrounds. And then you have JPEG, which is for smaller files, the web file, which I never use. And you have the PDF file, which is for larger image files. You have the GIF, obviously, and the MP4, which is like a video file. But I'm going to export this as a PNG, and I'm going to click Save. It's going to download in the top right. And that's all you need. It's simple as that. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys later.